How to fix Epic Games login error. To fix your Epic Games login error, first of all, check the Epic Games server status to ensure that the platform is experiencing a widespread outage or there is issue within your device. So, to access this server status page, you simply have to launch any web browser of your choice, then tap on that search bar and search for Epic Games server status. Once you find the official website, go ahead and tap on this and check if they are operational or not. If they are not, that means you have to wait out until the Epic Games fix this issue. Or if it is operational and yet it is not working on your device, you simply have to proceed to clear the launcher's cache. So if you are on computer or desktop, you simply have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the task manager. Now locate the Epic Games launcher, then choose to end the task. Now you simply have to open the run command and navigate to the app data and delete the cache folders, and then once again relaunch the Epic Games launcher and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.